SDK.finance. In this video, we'll guide you through the SDK.finance design system and UI kit to help you customize and manage your project efficiently. The UI kit includes essential design elements like buttons, forms, tables, modules, and notifications. Each component has a clear purpose, making interactions intuitive and efficient. The kit is flexible and can be customized to match different business needs while maintaining consistency. Following design guidelines ensures a professional look and a smooth user experience. We'll also walk through a real-world example to see the UI kit in action. Next, we'll explore the back-office core and its key functionalities. The back-office core provides essential tools for managing users, roles, and business data. It includes sections for clients, requests, transactions, investigations, user action history, CFO, CRO, and other roles. All these elements are carefully structured in our design file. By using a design system, we ensure that every component follows a consistent style and logic. This means you can quickly find what you need and, if necessary, make adjustments without breaking the overall design. The system allows for easy modifications, whether it's updating colors, layouts, or adding new features. We'll walk through the main dashboard and show how everything is structured in the design file to help you navigate and customize it effortlessly. Next, we'll look at the merchant space and how it supports business owners. The merchant space is designed for easy business management. Merchants can track transactions, handle customer interactions, and adjust settings seamlessly. Every interface element follows our design system, ensuring clarity and usability. With a structured approach, merchants can quickly find the necessary tools and make changes effortlessly. We'll walk through the main features and show how to use the design file as a guide. Next, we'll introduce the role of agents and how they interact with the system. Agents handle customer interactions and transactions. Their dashboard provides quick access to transaction history, customer profiles, and tasks. Everything follows a structured design, making it easy to navigate and use. Next, we'll explore the mobile app and its UI kit. The mobile app provides a seamless user experience designed for both merchants and customers. It follows the same design principles as the back office, ensuring consistency across platforms. Our UI kit, included in the same design file, makes it easy to adjust layouts, colors, and components. Everything is structured for quick modifications while maintaining a professional look. We'll walk through the key screens and show how to use the design system to customize the app as needed. The mobile app is user-friendly and flexible. With the integrated UI kit, making changes is simple and efficient. This wraps up our video series, giving you all the tools to work effectively with the design system.